Look at all these AI influencers. They have millions of followers and they make thousands of dollars per month. In this video, I will show you how you can create images and videos of your own AI influencer in order to post them on social media so you can grow your audience and be able to make money. The first thing we have to do is to get an image of our own AI influencer that is looking straight at the camera. There are multiple ways we can do that. We can search on Google for non-copyrighted AI models and find an image that way, or we can generate our own image with an AI generator, like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. I personally searched on Google for AI models and found this AI-generated image, which will be our AI influencer. Now we need to go to Google and search CArt AI and click on the first search result. Here we are at the CArt dashboard. I know that there are a lot of options on your screen, but don't get overwhelmed. The first thing we have to do is to create a free account. So we will come right up here and click on Login. Then here we can choose how we are going to create an account. After we are done with the sign-up process, we can use all the functions of CArt. Now let's make our AI influencer. First, we need to come up here to Swift AI, then go to AI Face Swap and click. This brings us to this tab where we can swap faces between two images and between an image and a video. Let me show you first how you can insert your new influencer's face on any image. We need to come up here and click on the Image tab. Now down here, CArt already has some images which we can use in our generations, but I don't like any of them. So I will upload my own. I will come right here to Custom Template and click. Now we upload the image which we want to change the face off and click on Open. And boom, I uploaded this image, which is an image of a very famous AI influencer that you have probably seen a lot. Now we need to upload an image of our influencer. So I will come over here to where it says Select a Face and click on the plus button. Now I will select the image of our influencer and click on Open. The image was successfully uploaded and is already selected, as you can see here. Now the only thing we need to do is to come down here and click the Generate button. This type of generation only costs us 3 credits, which is very little. And boom, look at how her face completely changed and turned to the face of our influencer. Especially if I put the image of our influencer next to it, you can see that the face is exactly the same. Now after we are done, we have the option to download the image by clicking here, and if we didn't like the end result, we can delete it. I will, because now it is time to show you how we can make our influencer dance. We need to come up here and click on Video. Here, CArt does have some pre-made videos which we can use, but I don't like any of them. So we need to find another one. Let's go to TikTok and search for dance videos. Look at all these results. Let me scroll down until I find one that I like. I think I found the one. It is this one right here. Let's take a look at it. This looks great. It would be a great first video for our AI influencer, so I will simply right-click and download it. Now we come back to CArt and we make sure that we are at the Video tab. Now we simply need to come here and click on Custom Template and upload the video we just downloaded. Alright, now we can play it a little bit to check if it was uploaded correctly. After we pause the video, we need to come back to select the face we want to swap in the video. We simply select the face of our character. If the face wasn't here, for example, we had accidentally deleted it before, we would simply click on the plus button and again re-uploaded the face of our influencer. Now we can see that the face of our influencer is selected. The only thing we have to do is to come down here and click on Generate. This generation cost about 128 credits, which is a lot, but remember, you can always get a paid plan that gives you many more credits. And now we simply wait until the generation is finished. Wow, the AI did an amazing job. It completely swapped her face with the face of our influencer. Especially when I put the image next to her, you can see it is the exact same face. So now what we want to do is to simply download the video and start posting it to social media. And remember, you can do that with infinite videos, but always ask for the necessary permission from the original creator. If this video helped you out, give it a like and comment something down below. And if you want to see another way to create consistent characters completely for free, click on this video right here.